We are going to buy all the things that Instagram advertises to us on our stories.
That's so cool.
Oh my God.
They knew what they were doing.
Oh!
There's something wrong with my Instagram.
Why, hello there, and welcome to Clevver Style.
Hi! You guys, if there's one thing we cannot get enough of on this channel, it is obviously Instagram. We got your Instagram posts, your videos, your IGTVs, your stories, and of course, you got your Instagram ads.
Ooh, my favorite.
I was being sarcastic.
But today we are going to use those ads to buy awesome things. It is another episode of buying things that Instagram advertises to us in 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
That's right. So the way we usually do this is like we'll go through our feeds or we'll go through Clevver's feed. We've done shopping each other's feeds. This time we're gonna get into our stories, you know, get into the real personal stuff and tap through those stories, girl. And then we are going to buy all the things that Instagram advertises to us on our stories.
I get weird ass ads, so I cannot wait to see what I'll be buying.
Is your shoulder strap too tight and annoying? Introducing the Teddy Bear.
All right, we are starting the clock. We have 10 minutes and we are going to start now.
I already got an ad for Neutrogena Stubborn Acne AM Treatment.
Oh, that's good.
I do love looking at skincare stuff on Instagram, so that makes sense. Is it a race?
No,
Oh,
but
I've always
10
wanted one
minutes.
of these bags. Yay! Susan Alexandra, it's like a beaded bag.
Oh my God, that's
Isn't it so cute?
you.
It's so
Isn't this
me.
exciting? Why do I get an ad for a bill app? Like to track your bills.
Oh.
You get a bag, Neutrogena. I get, hey, broke bitch.
Help me, I'm poor.
Ooh, I got a Marilyn Monroe collection. I love Marilyn Monroe. I'm always looking at her on Instagram.
Get the hell out of
If
here.
she had an Instagram, it would be like,
Oh my God, it would be that. It would be
Sexy.
literally everything in the entire world.
yes. I'm getting a lot of ads. Pura Vida.
I haven't gotten a single ad yet. Are you You're tapping, right?
I'm tapping.
What the heck?
Billy Razors. I've always wanted to try that.
No. I follow way too many influencers because it looks like ads, but it's not, you know? It's
Yeah.
just them doing an ad.
I think I'm on like my 8th ad.
That's absolutely wild. I still haven't gotten a single one.
I have so many ads. Ooh, look at this outfit. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, that's super cute. There's something wrong with my Instagram.
Pringles! Yay!
There's something wrong with my Instagram.
It isn't right, it isn't fair.
I've never watched this many stories in my life, and I'm still not getting ads.
Ooh, Morphe? Morphe.
Leah, I'm gonna need you to keep these things to yourself at this point.
I'm sorry.
It was cool in the beginning, now it's just hurtful.
Never thought you'd be jealous of my ads.
I never thought I'd be jealous of somebody's ads either.
I don't know who I am anymore.
All that time I waste on Instagram looking at makeup and clothes.
5, 4, 3,
Let's get a good one.
2.
Bare Naked Granola!
I don't even know what just happened.
Wow.
I cannot believe I got so few. I feel like Instagram knows I've done this a bunch and they're like, okay, you spoiled little girl. No more for you.
And I got so many ads because they're just like, let me have your money.
I feel very betrayed by you, Instagram.
I thought we were friends.
4 to 6 days later.
Here we are, ready to reveal all.
So intense.
I was trying to make it extra exciting for myself because I know what's coming.
What's coming?
I feel like I walked away with things that I will enjoy at the end of the day, but the process of getting there was very sad for me. Very, very sad.
There's something wrong with my Instagram.
Okay, first items, ready? I know you're ready, you're
Yes,
so excited.
I'm so ready.
Okay, I know you're so excited. This was the thing that you literally were like, I've been wanting this for forever. So let me just get mine out of the way really quick. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, this is really dope. It is the ColourPop Sailor Moon collection.
Do you like Sailor Moon?
I love all nerdy things. I have
Okay.
a special spot in my heart for anything, you know, pop culture in a very specific area. I love the culture around it, and I also just love the aesthetic. And I also love Sailor Moon. So this is the full collection, and it's $94 for everything. This is the lip bundle. It comes with a glossy lip and an ultra blotted lip.
Gorgeous.
And all of the packaging is just super cute. Look at the little
It's like orange.
gold moons.
I've never
I know.
seen like an orange lip gloss.
Yeah, I
Reminds
know,
me of a
it's
creamsicle.
And then these are the other, this is the other lip kit or the lip bundle. So again, it's a it's a gloss and then a blotted lip. And then this is the blush. Again, like such cute packaging. I mean, I've always liked ColourPop's packaging. It's really like youthful, but in a very cute way.
That's so cool.
Oh my God, it's amazing. It's so like, it's like
ColourPop
childhood.
is amazing. I have a Lizzie McGuire palette from ColourPop, and I
saw
love
those.
it. Yeah.
Look at it.
So pretty.
Oh my God. The packaging is everything. It really is. And especially if you love Sailor Moon, then getting something like this, you would want them to go so hard with
All
everything.
out, totally.
But this palette also looked amazing. So this is the pressed powder palette. So the colors are Shining Moon, Twilight Flash, Silver Crystal, Moon Castle, Full Moon, Silver Millennial. I don't even know how to say that. If it was like in Spanish, it'd be like Mare Serenitatis, but I don't think it's in Spanish.
Oh, sorry, I pronounced that wrong.
These are the body glitters. I saw them and I fell in love. So one is Moonlight Legend.
So pretty.
Dude.
Ooh.
It's really a good body glitter in the sense that it comes out and you just know it's gonna like.
Have you used it before?
No, but I've
You
used.
just know?
I've used ColourPop's other body glitters and I love the consistency.
Ooh, you're like ready to go to a rave.
That's really cool. I love
That's
that.
so pretty.
And then this one is the Moon Prism Powder.
I wanna cry.
This is like really fun. This is a fun collab. I really like collabs like this where it's like totally out of the box in terms of like colors, and the possibilities are really like endless with this one. This one has actual chunks of moon-shaped glitter. I didn't put that on in the vest today.
I don't know what to do with my hands. What do I normally do with my hands?
Okay, can I just say, I have been I have been manifesting a Susan Alexandra bag for like 2 years. I know I could have just bought it and that would have like solved all my problems, but I like to just allow the universe to surprise me.
Totally.
And the fact that I got an ad for it, like, I'm so ecstatic. So this is a Susan Alexandra bag. They're very unique, handmade, hand-beaded bags. The packaging, I mean, I've never ordered from them, so I wasn't expecting this. The packaging is so cool. It feels like a fruit bag.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's intentional, right?
Oh yeah. This whole brand is very colorful, a lot of rainbows, it's just like very girly and perfect for your inner child. Oh my God, and there's a handwritten note, which I love getting from small businesses. It says, thank you so much, enjoy, XOXO, Susan.
Oh, cute. Suze!
Suze, thanks, Susie.
Oh, I love this postcard. Let me see it. Oh my God, that is the most Leah bag
It's
ever.
very Leah. It's called the Indigo Child bag, and it is $175.
This is
so
hand beaded?
Hand beaded.
Oh
So everything
my
they make
gosh.
is just very special. You can feel the love. Look inside, it's like satin.
Whoa, I am so not talented.
It's so like 90s.
That is
and
unbelievable.
Colorful. I can't believe this ad popped up. I'm so grateful.
I may cry.
Happy birthday. I was so confused what the hell was happening.
I got a Marilyn Monroe lipstick.
Oh, okay, I was like, what's wrong with Leah?
I also just wanted to say happy birthday to anyone watching. whose
Totally.
birthday it might be.
Happy birthday.
So I'm kind of recently obsessed with Marilyn Monroe. I read her whole biographies, and I like to look at pictures of her on Instagram, because if she had an Instagram, she would have been a baddie, and you know she would have had millions of followers. Look how pretty that is.
Look at that color. Are you gonna put it on your lips?
I do want to, but I want to wipe
I was gonna
this
say,
off
are you
first.
you don't wanna ruin the tip of it though.
Well, I have to use it eventually.
I know, but don't you wanna just enjoy it? I have OCD. That's pretty. That's a really bright red.
It's really nice. Yeah, it's very like creamy, silky smooth.
I love it.
I love
this
it
is really
too.
cute too, actually.
Super cute. It's like a diamond bullet. Bésame.
All right, so I got this cloud. And no, it's not just a cloud, a fun cloud that you hold in your hand. It's a 3D printed plant waterer, but it's in the shape of a cloud. It's really cute and clever, and I just thought it was really awesome. But I also am blown away by 3D printed anything. I think they're just the coolest things ever, and sometimes I'll just like watch videos of it because I'm crazy. So this is from Etsy. It's 17 bucks. I thought it was super cute. So I'm gonna just show you how it works.
Yeah.
I have never used this before, but I did see it online. Also, this is a coleus, in case anybody is wondering.
I was.
So you just put it in like so.
I love the green, this like jade, bright green.
Yeah.
That is so cute.
And it's just to like water your plants throughout the day. You are supposed to water your plants slower and like really let it like soak through because a lot of buildup gets in the soil. But I also feel like once you've done your full watering, if you just want to increase like humidity, I think this would be really good as well. Because you are supposed to mist your plants if you have no humidity. And we live in the desert and it's very hard for plants that need humidity. So it's just really cute.
It's so meditative to watch.
Especially like the way it drips out.
Yeah.
I love it. It's really cool.
Sinead, how many plants do you have?
Between like everything, I probably have like close to 300.
No.
It's really
You have a
bad.
problem.
Admitting that you need help is the first step.
All right, so clearly we've seen a shift here into my interests, which are plants. So this is from IKEA. It is a plant stand.
Does this mean you have to get 5 new plants?
No, this means that hopefully some of my plants can come the F off my floor. So I feel like this is perfect. It's $40 it's from IKEA. It's a plant stand. It comes with these 5 little buckets. It's nice and like modern. It's kind of my aesthetic. It's got that like Scandinavian modern type of vibe, but you can also hang it over a door. So I feel like I'll put up a rail and then just hang it, and then that way I can have some plants in here. Plants that don't need to be watered very often, and then plants that also the dog can't, like, we can't risk it.
Yeah.
But I just thought it was really, really cute.
Super cute.
It's definitely a really cool way to show your plants and also store your plants, you know? I just have a feeling Nils is gonna be like, great, now we can put more outside, and then we're gonna fight about it.
I have here the Billy Smooth Operator Shave Set. I have heard a lot about Billy. I've heard great things, and I'm really excited to see what we got in here.
Oh, wow. You got some full-size products in there. I'm actually kind of impressed.
I like the packaging that's white with just like a pop of color. It's very simple. So this is the Dry By Body Lotion with grapeseed and shea butter.
I got a Billy set and I loved it. It just was really nice. It's super sharp but perfectly formulated for more sensitive skin.
Cool. That is so pretty.
Isn't it so cute?
Oh, love the colors. It's so fun. It reminds me of Palm Springs.
Yeah, totally. It's the teal and pink.
Uh-huh.
The best thing about this for sure is convenience, because it's always like the worst possible time that when you realize that you're out of razors or it's blunt. So it's a magnet. This sticks against your shower, and then this sticks against your razor.
Oh my gosh.
I like the colorways
Love
on
the
this
colors.
one.
I love it. I'm excited to try.
I don't work for Billy, by the way.
Okay.
I just have it, so I felt like I should talk about it.
She's just trying to help.
Let's start with the more exclusive
Oh
brand.
yes, very VIP, very elite. Look, I think Instagram knows that all I do is watch Bachelor in Paradise, so they're like, you gotta eat something while you do that. So I got Pringles, Scorchin' Chili and Lime. Do you like chili and lime? Do you like hot stuff?
I love Pringles and I love spicy. I've never had this Scorchin' Chili and Lime though.
You know
Do you
what?
like Pringles?
I do like Pringles, and I actually heard a rumor that once you pop, you can't stop. Let's see if it's true.
I always thought that was a sex innuendo, sexual innuendo.
I think it is supposed to be.
Right? They knew what they were doing.
Oh yeah.
Oh! These definitely don't travel well. We all know this, all right?
They
It's
are
at the end
hot.
of the tin where you're like,
They're like really hot.
I'll go. Damn, that's really good. Is this new or something? Is that why you got served it?
I think it's new, and I've never noticed a Pringles ad before. It was interesting. We got them at Target, and it was like $2.
Most of the time, Pringles at Target is 4 for $5. Just hot tip.
You know?
Yeah, just letting you guys know.
Give me those damn Pringles!
All right, so this is like your Pringles. No, I'm just kidding. It has nothing like Pringles. So it is a plant humidifier.
Oh.
But it claims to have really great benefits for skin and like sleeping. But I just really liked how chic
That's
and simple
pretty.
it was. And it does plug in via USB right here. Yeah, and it comes with a little plug and a little filter.
My mouth is on fire.
Really?
I can't even speak. My mouth is actually numb.
I read that online. It said it had really good benefits for your skin, like it was anti-aging and helped draw out toxins. Plus, if you live in the middle of the freaking desert like we do, just the weather out here is awful. It's so dry. There's so much pollution in the air. So I love having a humidifier because I get like nosebleeds sometimes, and it makes me feel very, very sad. But yeah, no, I just thought this was really cute, and the fact that it's like made for plants as well, I feel like I can trust it. But yeah, I like it.
Your plants are gonna be so happy. Such a good plant mom.
Thank you. It took a while, but I am there and I am proud.
Last item, Casetify. I got an ad for a phone case. Let's see what this bad girl looks like.
That's where my phone case is from. Oh my gosh, how cute.
So you know me, I love my positive affirmations, always need to fill my brain with positivity, otherwise I'll go down a dark spiral of depression. So I got this neon glow-in-the-dark glittery phone case. It says you're doing great, breathe in, breathe out, one day at a time, take a break, forgive yourself. Oh, love it. All right, let's
really cute.
see what she looks like.
Oh, that's great. Good
So
stuff.
cute.
But they're really popular for these customizable ones also. But I just think they make really good products. Like their quality's good.
Yeah, it seems like it's really good quality.
It is. That's
Love
cute.
it.
That's very you.
Thanks.
So my last product is from a brand called Hey Rooted. They deliver live plants to your house. Their stuff is great. So I will unbox it at home and show you guys once I put it in, like, maybe I'll put it in my new plant stand. Or maybe I'll put the cloud in it.
All right, my Hey Rooted plant arrived. It took a couple of days for it to acclimate to my house, but it is finally starting to feel it. It's feeling the defreeze jungle. You guys, look at this gorgeous Alocasia dragon scale. It is the prettiest, cutest plant in the entire world. I am absolutely obsessed with it. I was just really impressed with how amazingly it came shipped and how easy it was to get it to adjust to our house. So, what do you think of Mommy's plant?
It's great, but I just want to let your mommy fans know. Like and comment if you want to see more videos of plants from Mommy.
Aw, that's right. But yeah.
And there's a dog named Hazy.